salt in my mouth, down 30 feet, past broken windows and empty streets, where fish swim through, where we left behind. Every stroke takes me deeper into what we built, surface fading above me, down where memories tilt. These walls used to breathe, now they're covered in blue. I'm floating through rooms where I once danced with you, where I once danced with you. Seaweed grows wild through marble halls, old photographs behind these walls. Time stands still here in shades of green, air bubbles rising slowly past the things we said, following curves of doorways where our footsteps led. These walls used to breathe, now they're covered in blue. I'm floating through rooms where I once danced with you. Pressure builds in my chest as I sink to the floor. Found your bracelet in sand, can't take anymore. The current pulls but I stay, watching fish swim away through the halls we once knew in a different day. Breaking surface, lungs burning out, left it below, made my peace out. The tide changed us into something